Seeking his political comeback in 2019, senatorial candidate Mar Roxas visits a place which many credit for his huge victory as senator almost 15 years ago, the Palenque or market. The Ocho Derecho senatorial bet visits the Mabalacat public market in Pampanga. Market vendors and customers alike eagerly approach him. Some even hug him. Roxas grants all requests for selfies, then asks the vendors how much they are selling their products. It's a scene reminiscent of Roxas's 2004 Senate bid, where the Wharton graduate's Mr. Palenque commercials became a big hit among voters. Roxas had topped the senatorial race then with a little more than 19 million votes.
Una naman ninyo akong nakilala, Mr. Palenque. So dito naman talaga nakita ninyo, napaka-warm ng pagtanggap sa akin dito dahil talaga naman tinaguyod natin yung kapakanan ng mga mamimili at ng mga nanininda sa palengke. Pero parati nakatungtong ako sa palengke dahil alam ko yan ang pinaka-importante sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino kung paano nila pinagkakasya yung kanilang kakarampot na budget.
Roxas is unfazed that he is campaigning in Pampanga, the stronghold of Speaker Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, an ally of President Rodrigo Duterte.
Hindi ko naman kinikilala ang ating mga lalawigan bilang baluarte ni Juan Pepe Maria o kung sino, no? Mga kapwa Pilipino natin ito, may inihahain tayong track record, may inihahain tayong mga programa at yun, pinipresenta naman natin sa tao ang ating programa.
Roxas says he did not even feel he is in his opponent's bailiwick, judging by the warm welcome he received, even among students of the Jose C. Feliciano College Foundation. The senatorial aspirant gamely answers the questions of the high school students, from the West Philippine Sea to what his proposed reforms on education are. Only Roxas and re-electionist Senator Bam Aquino are the Ocho Derecho bets who have so far landed in the so-called winner's circle in pre-election surveys. The rest are still lagging behind. Unlike other Ocho Derecho candidates, it is clear that Roxas is a crowd favorite, whether it be among market vendors or students. But will this be enough to secure him another Senate seat? Mara Cepeda, Rappler, Pampanga.